Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check design accessibility in Canva. If you want your visuals to be clear, inclusive, and easy for more people to understand, Canva's design accessibility tool is a great place to start. It doesn't replace formal accessibility standards or audits, but it does give you helpful guidance so you can spot common issues early and improve your work with confidence. This tool is especially useful for ensuring your designs are readable and user-friendly for everyone, including people with visual impairments or color blindness. Something to keep in mind when designing for a diverse audience, like the one you may have in your Shopify store or on your social media. Begin by opening the design you want to review. This can be any design in your Canva account, whether it's a product image, a social media post, a presentation, or a promotional flyer. Make sure the design is fully loaded in the editor, so you can access the main menu and see your canvas clearly. Being able to see the full design helps you make more informed decisions as you review the accessibility feedback. Next, look to the top toolbar of the editor and select File from the menu. This opens a list of helpful options tied to your current design. From that list, choose Accessibility. You'll then see an option labeled Check Design Accessibility. Click that, and the Design Accessibility window will open right inside your editor. That's the entire setup, quick and easy. Now you're ready to make your design more accessible for everyone. Once the window appears, Canva will scan your design and highlight areas that might be hard for some people to read or navigate. You may see notes about things like color contrast between text and background, text that might be too small, or layout choices that can make content less clear. These are not errors, just friendly prompts pointing you toward elements that could use a tweak for better readability. Think of it as a helpful assistant guiding you to improve the accessibility of your design. As you go through the feedback, use it to understand what could be improved and why it matters. For example, sufficient contrast between text and background helps people read text more easily, especially on mobile screens or in bright light. This is crucial for online stores, especially on smaller mobile devices, where clarity can make or break a potential sale. Clear, legible fonts and adequate spacing make your message easier to process at a glance, which is essential when you want to grab the attention of customers browsing quickly. Consistent design choices, such as using the same font style across your product images or promotional banners, reduce confusion and help viewers find what they need quickly. This is especially important in e-commerce, where customers expect to have a smooth and straightforward browsing experience. Remember, this tool doesn't guarantee full compliance with any specific accessibility standard, but it's an excellent guide. Think of it as a first step in creating accessible designs that can reach a wider audience. Use it as a regular checkpoint as you work, especially when you change colors, swap fonts, or rearrange elements. The earlier you catch potential issues, the fewer revisions you'll need later, saving you time and effort. If you work with a brand palette, consider noting which combinations typically pass contrast checks so you can choose them more confidently in future designs. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure your designs remain consistent and accessible from one project to the next. To recap, open your design, go to File, select Accessibility, and click Check Design Accessibility. Review the insights in the panel and use them to refine your design choices. With these simple steps, you'll move closer to creating designs that are inclusive, clear, and effective for a wider audience. Whether you're designing a new product page for your Shopify store or crafting a social media post, this tool helps ensure your designs are accessible and appealing to everyone, improving the user experience and making your content more effective.